Susi. Although inspired by Tammy, Susi soon became something entirely her own. For nearly 20 years, she was Brazil's national fashion doll with an incredible variety of fashions, careers and themed gift sets. In 1985, Estrella shifted its attention to Barbie, and Susi disappeared from store shelves. Thankfully, she returned in 1997. The first dolls from the relaunch still used a body very similar to the original 1966 sculpt, making them especially interesting to collectors today. Over the following years, the dolls were gradually modernized before regular production eventually ended in 2013. More recently, Estrella has celebrated Susi with collector editions, including the beautiful Classicas series and even special editions inspired by Stranger Things, the series. Let's take a closer look at the 3 Susi dolls in my collection. I'm going to undress all 3 dolls first so we can compare their bodies and markings, since those details can be very helpful when identifying different generations of Susi. Susi Astronauta, one of my favorite dolls in my collection. I was lucky enough to find her on eBay, and she still came with her original red astronaut outfit. The other 2 dolls came from a Facebook collector group several years ago. The seller actually had 5 or 6 Susis available, and looking back, I really wish I had bought every single one. As far as I can tell, these 2 dates from 1997 or 1998. Even though they were produced during the relaunch, they still have the original body style, which is remarkably close to Tammy's.
Susi frisa colo. Demais!
Sou eu me produzindo, frisando e colorindo os cabelos pra sair e dançar.
Susi frisa colo.
One challenge with collecting Susi outside Brazil is finding original clothing. Very little appears on eBay, and buying directly from Brazil isn't easy. Because of that, these 2 dolls are borrowing vintage Tammy fashions from 1963. The brunette is wearing spring topper, while the blonde is dressed in dreamboat. I'll put Susi Astronauta back into her original red space suit, while the other 2 get dressed in their Tammy outfits. Since the body proportions are so similar, the clothes fit really well. I think they are wonderful examples of how closely connected Tammy and the original Susis really are, while still representing 2 different chapters in fashion doll history.